In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Freshdesk search and filter options. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right ticket, the right contact, and the right information without digging through endless lists. Start at the very top of Freshdesk with the global search bar. This is your quickest entry point. Type anything you have on hand, like a ticket subject, a contact name, an email, or a specific ticket ID if you know it. As results load, use the tabs to focus your search. All shows everything together, while tickets, contacts, and solutions let you narrow right away. You'll also see your recent searches, which is a great time saver if you look up the same terms often. A quick tip: if you have a ticket ID, enter it directly to jump straight to that record. If you're already working in the tickets module, use the search field there to filter just within tickets. This view helps you find specific cases quickly without leaving your workflow. It's perfect when you remember part of a subject line or a requester's details and want to stay focused on tickets only. Next, open the filters panel on the right side of the tickets view. This panel is where you can be precise. Choose Agents Include to see tickets assigned to specific people, or Groups Include to focus on a particular team. If sentiment is enabled in your account, use it to gauge customer mood and prioritize accordingly. You can also filter by created, resolved, or closed dates, as well as resolution due by to catch anything approaching its deadline. When your selections look right, click Apply to refresh the results. On the left sidebar, you'll find ticket views such as My Open and Pending Tickets, My Overdue Tickets, Open Tickets in My Groups, and All Tickets. Think of these as pre-built filters that capture common scenarios. They're excellent starting points and can save you time before you fine-tune with additional filters. After you've dialed in a set of filters you'll reuse, save it. Click Save as View, give it a clear name, and choose who can see it. Just you, all agents, or agents in specific groups. Then, click Save. This keeps your most useful combinations one click away. Finally, combine search and filters for maximum precision. Start with a keyword to gather related results, then apply filters to narrow by team, owner, sentiment, or time frame. This layered approach gets you from broad to exact fast. You're all set to quickly find, organize, and manage tickets using Freshdesk's powerful search and filtering tools. Thanks for watching.